How to delete Facebook account permanently. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode I'll be showing you the ways on how you can delete Facebook account permanently. In order to delete your Facebook account permanently, first thing first, make sure that your Facebook application is up to date. After that, go ahead and log in into your Facebook account. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, tap on the tab bar icon from the top right hand side corner. And after that, go to the gear icon from the top right once again. And while you're on this page, you'll need to scroll down a bit and you'll need to head over to the section of see more in account center. So while you're on this page, go to personal details, and here you can see account ownership and control. If you want to delete your account, go ahead and tap on delete or deactivate your account and select the particular account that you wish to deactivate or delete. So if you want to delete your account, just tap on delete account and click on the continue button. Here you'll need to select the reason why you're actually deleting your account and click on the continue button if you're sure about it. Now, in order to delete your account, you'll need to go through all of these sections and select what you actually want to do and click on the continue button right at the bottom on the last phase. So you'll need to provide in the password associated with your Facebook account. So for that, this is also actually for the identification purpose. You'll need to enter in or type in the password for the confirmation as well. And after you've done entering the password, there will be some kind of statement stating that the account has been permanently deleted. And that is how you can delete your Facebook account permanently. So in this way, you can delete your Facebook account. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.